Welcome to our channel. If you've purchased a vehicle with OnStar or want to activate your OnStar service, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up. Step 1. Make sure your vehicle is equipped with OnStar hardware. Most GM vehicles manufactured after 1996 include OnStar capability. Step 2. Press the blue OnStar button in your vehicle to connect with an OnStar advisor or visit OnStar.com to activate online. Step 3. If activating online, click Activate or Get Started on the OnStar homepage. Step 4. Enter your vehicle identification number, which can be found on your vehicle registration, insurance card, or the driver's side dashboard. Step 5. Provide your contact information, including name, email address, phone number, and billing address. Step 6. Choose your OnStar plan. Options include safety and security, navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, and connected services packages. Step 7. Review the plan details, pricing, and features included in your selected package. Step 8. Enter your payment information to set up billing for your OnStar subscription. Step 9. Create an account by setting up a username and password for accessing OnStar services online and through the mobile app. Step 10. Download the My OnStar app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Step 11. Log into the app with your new account credentials to access remote vehicle features. Step 12. Test your OnStar connection by pressing the blue OnStar button in your vehicle and speaking with an advisor to confirm activation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.